Hey, my name's Saharsh. I'm a 16-year-old club leader from Westborough, Massachusetts. And my question for you is, if your house is burning down and you could only save one item, what would you run back to go grab?
Oh, wow. Well, I mean, I think the practical answer is my laptop, but like if I'm not allowed to get my laptop, the more interesting answer might be I have some art that I really love, which is this there's a designer named Nick Felton, and he's the guy who designed Timeline originally, actually. And he has a series of annual reports that he's made. He made for a period of I think 10 years. Now he's on other projects, but it was sort of a commentary on you know corporate versus individual, as well as sort of like who owns data and like what do we do with all the data exhaust that's happening in our lives. Which is, I think, some of these questions are things that are a bit more part of the popular vernacular now, but at the time he was doing it was I think they were less things people were thinking about. And what he did was every year he basically collected as much data as he could about himself, and he made this like amazing, beautiful report on his life. And so I've got like I think 6 or 7 of the 10, and so I think I'd probably try to grab those. They're really special to me.